So the first thing you need to know for your Unit 5 test is how to use special angle relationships to determine missing angle measures. So just as a quick reminder, these are all the angle relationships we talked about. We have corresponding angles, which are same side, skip an angle. Alternate interior are on opposite sides of the transversal inside. Alternate exterior are opposite sides of the transversal on the outside of the parallel lines. Vertical angles are those bow tie angles or those kissing V's. Same side interior, those are on the same side inside, and those are supplementary. They are, all the rest of these I should have mentioned, all the rest of these up until now are congruent. So corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, and vertical angles are all congruent. Same side interior is supplementary, and same side exterior is also supplementary. All right, so let's look at how to solve a problem. For what value of x is line M parallel to line N? Okay, so we know we're trying to solve for x, so we know we have to use this angle. And then we're going to try to figure out which other one we need. Okay, so we have to think about our angle relationships. I'm going to use 65 because 65 and 3x plus 5 are corresponding angles. And I know that corresponding angles are congruent. So I'm going to use 65, and I'm just going to mark 115 up as a distractor. So I'm going to say 65 equals 3x plus 5, and then I'm going to solve it for x. So I'm going to subtract 5 from each side. 3x equals 60, divide by 3, and x equals 20. Now, I just want to mention that you could have used 115, but you could not have said this angle equals 115 degrees because that is not true. What we do know about those same side exterior angles is that they're supplementary. So you could have set up an equation that says 3x plus 5 plus 115 equals 180, and you could have solved for it that way. But I like to just find the ones that are congruent and use those.